Well, hello. How we doing today? We doing well? See that Casper MC is with us. Hello, Casper MC. Hope that you are MCing it up. Beat the dragon on the realm. Oh. Well, that is impressive. I can't wait to see all the different stuffs. Yeah, I mean, I'm like into that survival thing. I feel like I will start that as like a single player thing for me because I don't think that like like just for that kind of experience, like the survival experience of like being on a limited resource environment and having to succeed. That's like something that is kind of like there's some projects you want to kind of do on your own, that's like I want to do that on my own one day too. But yeah, that was fun starting that survival island seed. I looked up that there are different seeds like you can like people post to like Reddit, like they're different cool seeds. And I mean obviously that one was like baked into Minecraft. Anyways, let's not talk too much about Minecraft. That is not the purpose of today. So, but Tucker, that's awesome that you beat it. Oh, I can't wait to log on next week. We'll log in next week and see what state the world is in. Yeah. Also, want to see Mr. Tucker. I want to see some of the coding that you. I'm excited to see what you do with that. Mr. Tucker is doing coding for his middle school elective, and he obviously has quite the mind for it. So I'm excited to see what he will create. Speaking of coding, that is what we're going to do today. Let's see. Oh, my fire is on. There we go. Blew out my fire. Okay, so last week we were coding a game. Let me just go right there. There we are. We were trying to make this racer, and it was doing pretty well. Except see, we had made it so that you couldn't go off the border, and I'm having problems keeping the size of our background sprite to be the same. We're making it so big that it like is like not really working for Scratch. Scratch is not really meant to handle this. Like there's a lot of times where Scratch does things to make it more simple for the people coding, because this is like everyone's first coding program. And every once in a while, especially in terms of graphics, you run into things where it's like it doesn't handle it very well. For example, let me show you another good example. That's an example of graphics where it doesn't work very well. Here's another one. And this is like so like here we want to like have this randomness happen, and the way we're doing it kind of randomly is that this rotates at 0.05 seconds and this one rotates at 0.02 seconds. So there's like they're not synced up. You have to kind of like let them run. But you use a backdrop and visible sprites as a border. Okay, I will show you what we did. I'll show you. I'll show you. So like this is another thing that Like for example, if I want this to be a random number instead of a set number, then I could do like 0.02 to 0.05 and put that in there, but it doesn't really work. Maybe it does. Hold on. Yeah, no, see how fast 0.05 is? Here, actually, let's switch these around. Let's see, maybe having the smaller number first will. Maybe it only really goes one way in Scratch. 0.05. 0.02. Let's just swap those around. See if that helps. Okay. So maybe it did that way. But see, we couldn't have a range of numbers in reverse. We couldn't have it from smallest to largest as a fraction. So, okay, well, that's good. That adds a bit of randomness to our so what was it? It was 0.05. Let's do 0.04 to 0.02. Okay, so now there's a bit of like randomness in the timing. So now it works better in creating a random. I mean, what we would like to do is for them to rotate, not on a wheel, but just like picking random one of these, but we want to leave this open. So that's something that this can't do, where in like coding, it would be really easy to just be like, pick a random number from this list, right? Where in here, we have to say every time, okay, this list is 15 long, so pick a number between 1 and 15, 1 and 16, you know? Like we can't get, I don't think there's an ability to get the number of costumes. Let me see. There's costume number, but this doesn't give us the total. This is just what is the current number. Hello, it's me, Kalen. I'm using my other account. Well, hello there. That would make sense since your name is Kalen and you're posting from an account with that name. Okay, so Tucker, I want to show you real quick what, oh, let's save this. All right, my stuff. Let's take a look at the Western Racer in case you just didn't see from last week. So see, we have a sprite, and this is what we're doing when we're pressing the arrow keys is we are sliding that sprite around. The horse is actually just staying in the middle of the screen and just going facing a different direction each time. And we're sliding the sprite, the track around. That's how we're doing it. And yeah, we can put in code that basically blocks it from moving over the white area. See, but what happened was it was big. You can see that right now, like we can still see the white. See, and then up here we can even go into the white. And down here it is blocked. So what happened was it basically like if we went into the costumes and you can see the size of this thing, it was like 3 times as big. But when we saved it, it came back and was smaller, which is why the edge control doesn't work anymore. So I don't know. But we're going to do the same thing today. We're going to program this in MakeCode because this I've been thinking about this in MakeCode for a while, and I think we're just going to. It's much more possible and easy to do in MakeCode. So here's an example of like, and MakeCode certainly has its own limitations. Some ways Scratch is way better than MakeCode, but in this way it is not. So, yeah. So we'll be able to put this on our little Pi badge today and have a little handheld experience. So I've been working with this game maker guide here. These are some good tutorials. I haven't even started the easy one, but I did this make a platformer, which was really enjoyable. Some good what do you call it, tutorials there. Okay. Community games. There's so many things in here that I have yet to even like. Animated sand. I mean, there's so many cool, just so many cool things in here that I've yet to check out. Wow, check out that guy. Seems like a pretty cool handheld. Portable micro. What is this guy? I'm sorry, I'm getting like off track here. I just like, oh, it's a. Oh. Oobot. I actually backed this. I backed this one. So we'll be getting one of these in the mail, but it doesn't look like this. This is not what it looks like. It looks like this. So we'll actually get one of those in the mail. I backed that personally. So you'll be able to get that. Hi Maya. How's it going? Okay, so anyways, and maybe we'll build our own make code machine pretty soon. All right, let's start. Oh, whoa, I just got the Jolly Dodger. Yeah, there's some cool games on here. Okay, so we're gonna call this one Monster Smasher. Oh, look how they give you different happy icons up top depending on how, I'm assuming how unique your name is. Like Monster, they're like, okay. Smasher. Okay, yeah, neat. What is this? Code options, blocks, Python, Java. Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to make ourselves a platformer. I mean, like it's gonna be a game. This game is gonna be a game where you are a monster and you're in a big city and you roll around and you smash the smash buildings and stuff. Sounds cool? Sounds cool. All right, first let's make our sprite here. Let's see if there just is a monster. Is there like a big giant monster we can be? There's a snake. Not really. So let's just draw a monster. And we want this guy to be a bit taller than normal. So let's, instead of 16, we'll do 32. That will make a double sized. Okay. Okay, let's draw just real quick. We're just gonna draw. We can draw a better monster later. Rawr. His tail and his foot. Remember, it's always just about like make it work first and then make it look better, right? So here is our monster. Okay. A ferocious looking monster. Rawr. And give him some teeth. And looking good. Okay. And let's give him some. That's pretty good. Just for now. Good for now. We'll give him some monster toes. All right. There we go. Look good? I think it looks good. Rawr. Okay, done. There he is. Okay, there's our monster. Okay. And what we're going to do is we are going to, let's see, we're going to set tile map. Okay, so our tile map, we want to be let's just use this dungeon for right now. No, not dungeon. What do we got? Miscellaneous. We got some rocks and stuff. Forest. All right, let's just have him like stomping around the forest just for a second. Okay, so let's see. How big do we want this map to be? Let's try 256 by 256. Is that way too big? That seems pretty big. But let's give it a try here. Oh yeah, look how tiny these sprites are. Okay, so not that. Let's do, how about 128 by 128? Is that still too small? Wow, that is so small. I mean, what even is this? What's 16 by 16 here? Oh. Okay, so I'm not sure what, it's at 16 of these 4x4 tiles. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it's not, this down here is not the number of pixels. It's the number of tiles. And the tiles are like 16 by 16 pixels. So really, whatever, math people, what is 16 times 16? That is how many pixels it really is. So let's just like randomly paint this. Let's give it a full like grass background, okay? And then let's just like, we're just gonna paint something so that you can see how the movement is going around. Okay, so there's like a path. We'll change this to a, we'll change this into a, what do you call it? A city later, okay? So let's just like, we're gonna just grab these edge pieces here and we're just gonna fill this in, make it kind of look nice. They don't have like reverse corner slots. It's kind of interesting. We need those reverse corner slots to like fill in, like, see, like, oh, I guess that kind of works. That kind of works. All right, let's just like do this real quick. Just doop-a-doo, doing the tile work real fast. And let's do the bottoms. Okay. Yeah, so there's a lot of missing tiles here that I would have to like go in and repaint myself. But okay, I don't want to mess around too much with this. Let's just leave it as it is, okay? Let's put some just like some trees down, right? And then what you can do here is, let's say we want these trees, and we even saw like, here's miscellaneous. I saw some rocks. Put some rocks down too. So I saw that, so here's wall. So when you put a wall over it, it means that your sprite can't go over this. It's actually like a brilliant and easy way to code. I mean, that saves you just so much time. So, okay, so we put some trees in, some bushes and some rocks down, okay? So now we got ourselves a backdrop. We'll click done. Okay, so here's our backdrop, and immediately I'm noticing that our sprite is the wrong color because the background is going to be. So let's just change our color of our monster to this more dark green so we can see him better. Okay, there he is, right? I'm gonna play Among Us now. What? In the middle of class? Disappointed. Okay, so now we need to be able to move our sprite around. So let's go to controls, and we're just gonna say move sprite with buttons. Okay, so see here we got our sprite. Okay, and he's sliding around. It's pretty cool, right? And I can't move through the places that, right? I can't move through these bricks right here, right? You can see that I can't move off the screen either. So we know that our screen is much bigger. Okay, so see, this is the upper corner of the map. So we can't go up, but we can go off the screen. So we want our camera to follow. So we'll go to scene, and we're gonna go to, where is camera? Camera, here we are. So camera follows my sprite, okay? So we'll put that on here. Now check it out. Now when we move around, see, look. Now you see how, look how much easier that was. We spent like a whole, we spent a whole, what do you call it? A whole day trying to get that horse track to slide around. And here with make code, it just like it was already built in. We would say that make code has like the libraries to be able to do this. So anyways, that is pretty neat, you know? Look at that. So this would be the good beginning to our dinosaur smashing game. So we could do, let's make another sprite here. Nope, I'm under controls. That's why. Okay, set my sprite. Let's rename this one to building. Okay, and it's gonna be a kind of enemy. Okay, let's snap this on here, and we're going to just paint ourselves a building pretty fast here. Let's just grab like this color, and we'll just like, there we go, and we'll fill this in and put like this. This is gonna be our super fast building. There's a little silly looking house with like a window in it and a door. Okay, doesn't look great. doesn't look good at all. Looks like a person with a hat, maybe. I don't know. All right, so we got our sprite. There it is. And let's do change buildings position to, is there like random? Okay, so let's just do random then. Here we are. Pick a random 0 to the screen. Well, we want the tile map. Well, let's just do 0 to screen width will be X, and duplicate this to screen height. Now, I'm just assuming that it's only going to be on the screen ever, not on our map. Yeah, see, it's moving around. I want to figure out how to do it over the map. But don't worry, let's not worry about that right now. Let's just get it to work once, okay? Okay, and I'm seeing that our building background color should change. We'll change it to something else, so that way we can see it better. Okay. How we doing, guys? We doing okay? Glimmer. Sparkle. Okay. No Ryer today, huh? Okay, so now what we want to do is, so we're this big dinosaur. We're moving around. Rar. I wish there was a tile. Is there a set tile map? Background image. Screen height. So screen height is all good, but shake camera. That'll be fun. We can do that. Place my coordinates. Okay. Place my sprite at random. I guess there's no way of like. Okay, well, whatever. We'll deal with it later. So, rar, here's our guy. Okay, so what I know what we can do. We can set our place my sprite on top of random, and we can pick a random grass. So since there's so much grass, we can just basically start anywhere. Okay, see, we'll like start there. Oh, he's not moving to. Well, can I do that? Not moving. No. Huh. Okay, hold on. Trying to remember how to move my guy to a random start. And set my sprite on a random one of these. It really should have. Huh. Okay, well, we'll figure that out later. Okay, so let's now do a collision. All right. My sprites. Okay, if my kind. Okay, so on sprite kind player overlapping with other kind of enemy. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do we want to change the we want to crush the image, right? So set other sprites image to, and then we'll just be like fire. Make it look like a. Okay. And get some orange. A little bit of yellow down here. Okay. And that looks good. Okay, set the other to this fire thing. And that shake screen would be kind of cool, right? So let's see, shake screen for half a second. Okay, so now if we step on the building, oh, that's cool, huh? But it keeps going. Well, still could be neat. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so this is what we have to do. We've started our game here. We got our monster. And we have building. So now what we want to do is we want to basically just like, yeah, it's cool. We want to make it so that we're basically this dinosaur walking around the city, and when we come across buildings, and there can be like army tanks and helicopters, and we basically just want to roll around and smash them, right? We can make like a breathe fire button, and we just have a button that just makes you roar, you know? It'd be neat. We are watching Cap Code, it's true. All right, let's see. Guess that is it, you know? Let's see. Let's do some controls here. On left button, we want to make it so that our sprite flips around, okay? So we'll do like on left button, set my sprite's image to, and then let's copy this. Copy. And we'll go into this one and we will paste. Oh no, we got to make it big though. So let's see. We need to paste this, and then we can do flip image. Flip horizontally. There we go. Okay. And we can duplicate this and change it on right arrow press. Flip it back. All right, let's see if that works. There we go. See, now he moves back and forth. Rawr. Smash that building. Okay, so now we want it to, let's only shake. See how it keeps shaking? So let's see if we can't do an if to stop that. So if, let's put this in here. Okay, so, okay. Oh, okay, we can destroy it. That's a better idea. So let's set this back here. We'll do shake camera, and then we will do destroy. Where's the destroy? Yeah, there we go. Destroy building. Oh, and then we can even do an effect. Maybe we don't even need this. Maybe we don't even need this fire that I drew. Yeah, let's change the effect to fire. Let's just get rid of the one I drew. We'll save it over there in case we still want it. Building with fire. Okay, so let's try that. Ooh. That was neat, huh? I mean, that's kind of cool. I do want to see like the wreckage stay there though. You know? So we'll have to think about that. How do we replace the sprite? Okay, so let's see. Let's try it. Maybe we can do it with the if. So here, let's set this instead of having fire. How do I like just? There we go. Erase all this. Let's just make a smashed building now. So like just brushed building and some brown. All right, it just kind of looks like smash building now. Okay. Okay, destroy building. So if, let's not do destroy building with fire. We'll do if, and let's grab our equals. Where's our equals? Or it's under logic. Yeah, okay. If equals, and we want to be like if sprite image, if other sprite image equals can I, okay, cool. Can I just grab this? Look at that. If other sprite equals that. Okay, let's see if that works. No. That's too bad. Man, I wish that would work. That's too bad that it doesn't do it that way. Can I change? Okay, here's another thing. Can I change this, the type? Let's see. All right, well, we'll figure that out next time, okay? This is a good one. But we are kind of on our way here, you know? Let's just get rid of this because this doesn't work. And we can put this here. And we can say, where's the destroy? Where is it? Here it is. No, wait, clear effects, destroy my sprite. Or maybe what we can do is we can just start the effect. So let's see. Start effect, fire. See what that does. Oh my goodness. Building. So that's cool. Look at that. You just like, I feel like that is an impressive amount of fire. I'm wondering if it's too much fire. Like, it'd be cool if there was fire when he was walking on it. We definitely want to figure out how to turn these things off. But it's a beginning. It's a beginning of a game. There's our building. Crush. Right? Pretty neat. Okay, guys. So we are done for today. But we have begun a cool new project that I think will be a lot of fun to code. I really like these make code games. In fact, before I keep saying let's do one more thing, and I always mean it. Let's do one more thing. Or let's connect this. I don't like this wire I have is like, I feel like I have to push it too far. It's like I feel like it's slightly too big for the make code. Okay, let's put in our Pi badge here. Turn it on. Okay, and what do I got in there right now? Oh, it's just like ready to load. Okay, so we got that. And let's do choose hardware. This is a Pi badge. And let's do download. That's not what we wanted to do. Oh, yeah, pair device. Okay. Pair device, Pi badge, connect. That work? Oh, download Adafruit. Download to Adafruit project. There we go. There you go. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, there we go. Neat. Okay, so here we go, guys. Take a look. I need to get a better cable. Okay, so here is our game. You can see it. Right? So we coded this thing and we got it in our hands. Kind of hard to see, like. We can reset by pressing. There we go. Okay, so here's our dinosaur. Walking around our cool world. And we're like, where's that building? Oh, smash. Right? Cool, huh? So let's finish that game. That'll be fun. That'll be fun to make a little game. Okay, guys. Really cool seeing you. Remember to drink your water. Remember that you are important. I will see you tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Bye-bye.